Going on a picnic.
It is a nice sunny day in spring. The weather is warm and nice. Sara, Leo, and Mia go on a picnic in the park. They bring a basket and a blanket. They put the blanket on the grass and sit together. There is some food in the basket. There are some apples, bananas, and sandwiches. They have some drinks too. Sara asks, "How many sandwiches are there?" Leo says, "There are 3 sandwiches." Sara asks, "How much juice is there?" Mia says, "There is a lot of juice." They use plates, spoons, forks, and knives. Sara eats a sandwich, Leo eats an apple, and Mia drinks some lemonade. They are happy and enjoy the day together.